This is Victoria. I'm in Huntington Library, Chinese garden. Beside me, this is the rock, and we call it Scholar's Rock. A famous literary artist, Mi Fu, who used 4 keywords to describe this kind of rock. So one is thin, the second is winkling, the third is openness hole, and the fourth is the hollow kind of hole. So in Chinese, shòu, lou, zhou, tou. I'm going to have a workshop to teach 2 pieces of this stone. One is detailed, and this is more spontaneous. Okay, my workshop, it will be June 18th. Thank you.